हेलो एवरीवन। सो टुडे वील बी मेकिंग खांडवी। खांडवी बना लेते हैं एंड वी नीड वेरी लिमिटेड इंग्रेडिएंट्स फॉर दैट, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. ओके, so first of all we need a bowl, and in that we are going to take half a cup of gram flour. बेसन, आधा कप बेसन ले रहे हैं एंड उसमें हमने डाला है some salt, some turmeric powder, some red chili powder, and in that I have added half a cup of curd. And then in this I'm going to add 1 cup of water. The ratio of gram flour and curd water mixture is 1:3. So initially I'm going to add a little bit of water and then I'm going to add the rest of it to avoid the lumps. So इसको बहुत अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेना है. And now I'm going to add the remaining water with a little bit of ginger paste in it. I'm following the recipe provided by Chef Ranveer Brar and it turns out to be very nice. So now take a pan on a low flame, add your mixture to the pan and you have to continuously stir it. Okay, just remember to stir it continuously and I have to do it for around 20 minutes to get the perfect texture. बहुत मेहनत का काम है, but the results will be worth it. I'm guaranteeing this to you. So you're gonna get this consistency after around 5 minutes and it's not even half done. So keep on stirring on a very low flame continuously until you get this. Now take a tray or a plate and put a really thin layer of this batter on it. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Cut it and roll it. And yes, we have to put some coriander and some coconut as well before cutting it. I am also doing it for the very first time, so bear with me. Now sprinkle some chopped coriander and grated coconut on this and roll your khandvis. After rolling, put it on a plate and prepare a tadka. For that you will need around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, sesame seeds, some mustard seeds, some hing and some salt, some green chili, some curry leaves, and then you can dress your khandvi with that oil. See how shiny it is. It's done and ready to eat. Make it at home. Enjoy this recipe with your family. Please let me know if you like it and please like, share. Bye bye.